Hey Zazzle sellers, are you ready to unlock the secrets to finding highly profitable niches and skyrocket your sales? Finding a profitable niche on Zazzle can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Look at this. Endless scrolling, thousands of designs. Where would you even start? This is what a typical search for a niche looks like without Zazzlytics. But what if there was an easier way? Let's install the Zazzlytics extension and unlock the power of data-driven niche research. Before we begin, you will need a Zazzlytics license. Here's a quick reminder on how to get your license key. Now, let's put Zazzlytics to work. This is where the magic happens. Click the Keyword Ideas button. Zazzlytics provides an organized list of relevant and potentially profitable keywords based on current trends. For this tutorial, let's focus on the birthday invitations niche. It's a broad category with a lot of potential, but we need to narrow it down to find a specific, less competitive area. Now, Zazzlytics shows us a lot of relevant keywords along with their performance data. Let's look closer. The key is to find keywords with low competition but still high sales volume. Let's choose Rookie of the Year First Birthday Invitations to see how it performs. Clicking this keyword takes us to the Zazzle search page for this specific term. This is where Zazzlytics truly shines. Using this option on the left-hand side, we have access to powerful analytics. We see crucial metrics such as total views, total orders, conversion rate, and average rating for this specific keyword. This gives us a bird's-eye view of the keyword's performance. But that's not all. Zazzlytics also lists top keywords, both short-tail and long-tail, making it easy to copy and paste them directly into your product listings. We can also sort the products based on different metrics. Now, let's sort by total orders to find high-performing products. Zazzlytics makes it easy to see more details by just clicking on See More. This detailed view provides all sorts of insights. We can see total orders, average rating, total views, conversion rate, and even the specific keywords used by the seller. This is gold. We can also download product images directly. We'll use these images to create a visual mood board for inspiration. Once you've built a mood board, you'll have a clear understanding of successful designs in your chosen niche. Remember, inspiration is key, but always create original designs. Analyze the titles and keywords used by top sellers. This gives you data-backed inspiration for your own product listings. So there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to finding a profitable niche on Zazzle using the Zazzlytics extension.